are at the Peshtigo, and we got a shitload of people today.
Marco!
Polo?
Marco!
There's the beast.
You gotta sign that waiver too.
You signed the waiver. Alright. We are scouting, and I think this is one of the first times I've ever done this. Scouting a rapid.
You want me to run it?
Yeah,
You got me?
I got your back, bud.
I think I'm just gonna run it right down the middle. Okay? I'm gonna run it right down the middle.
Yep.
You got Cardi!
Paddle foo! Hey Russ, what do you think?
I think he's gonna get spanked.
Come on, I want to see Dave just fucking fight one. Just once for me. There he goes. Does he got a combat? Does he got a combat? No! Oh. He's swimming. Oh, fuck, I know it's bad karma. I know it's bad karma. Oh, I know it's bad karma. He must have got smacked. Dave got smacked. Broke. All right, we had to get the carnage
That's the only
on
rapid I
film.
remember.
Gentlemen, not too much carnage here. I got a little knee scrape. Yeah, nothing here. Nothing to see. Little knuckle
Wait,
thing.
wait. Give me the knuckle,
Move
guy.
along, nothing to see here.
Little knuckle
Oh, that
action.
one's a good one.
This is a good one right here. This is my brother, Julio.
Julio.
My twin brother, Julio.
All right, and then on me, nastiness.
All right. Let's get you out of the shadow here. Get out.
Yesterday, Dawn was there on the
Let's take a look at that.
Steven Knuckle Drag Fetter.
That's nice.
Look at those.
Battle scars.
And a couple.
Proved that pain is temporary.
Battle scars.
Scars, but
Look at that.
forever.
Picture is worth
1,000 words.
1,000 words. Oh, were you that ugly when you got on the river, Steve?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. There's a look of fear. Paddle, paddle! Steven Fetter. Oh, there he goes. Yeah, he's up. Look, there he is.
And the screw won't work again.
Oh! Alright, here comes our buddy John. He's gonna paddle through the fucking rock garden. What's he got? What's he got for us? Alright, here comes Big John. John's had a pretty good day so far. Big John. Big John. Big Bad John. I've already gone through here. Did a little doopity-doo and then I flipped back up. The combat roll is in full effect. Oh, there goes John down. And he's got the combat. Woo! All right, in there and over. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, we got Carnage. He's up. We really don't know what he's doing. He's actually stuck. I think that's Wild Bill. Nope.